ganun eh.
We are now approaching the Canadian or Horseshoe Falls. It is approximately 170 feet high or 52 meters. Its width is 2,500 feet long or 760 meters. And there is a major big volcano. First, in 1901, was a school teacher named Annie Taylor. Annie was 63 years old when she went over the falls in a wooden barrel and lived. In 1960, an almost unbelievable event occurred. A 7-year-old boy named Roger Woodward was swept over the falls, wearing only a bathing suit and a simple life jacket. It was a miracle that he survived. Roger was rescued almost